The fifth one, connectives.
What about the four?
Okay.
Maybe the first line of your theory, the ones, lexical jump. Okay.
Yeah.
How is this different between the four and lexical jump? This is similar or this is the same one?
About this one?
Yes, and with the
four
jump.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you for your question. I think it's not the same. Why? Because the lexical jump, in my opinion, so we use like to give opinions maybe like this. But this one we use to compare, compare like this. Okay, it's a different. Because we have S and S. So about smelling, they focus on S and S. So X, X straight, so like is has S, means to compare, right? Okay.
So now your topic is not focused on your lexical approach.
This is kind of lexical.
Kind of lexical.
Yeah, kind of lexical. For Chomsky, so he gives us eight kinds of lexical approach. The first one is a lexical chance. Second one is like a collocation and like this. It is a continue from that. Yeah, from this part.
I would say that this one is, you mentioned this one is a lexical unit.
Yeah, lexical unit is the main part. Yeah, so.
One of the examples that he mentioned.
Yeah.
This word for the number 4 is can also one chunk. For the chunk is can be divided into different.
Yeah. So divide it's a sub,
So that's mean number 4 include in the number 1 lexical jump. Yes.
Lexical for the chunk is can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kind of.
Different kind. That's for the additional for the actual.
These different kinds of lexical jump.
Yep.
Okay.
Multi-word unit.
Describe number 2 now.
I think previously there are two kinds of lexical. The first one is jump, the second one is correlating.
But so it is, I think, because
this includes
additional,
two
right?
This is number 1 and the unit of number 1, right?
Yeah.
Or unit of number 2.
Okay.
If number 1 you can just express after number 1. But here.
For this one, you mentioned of this one, yes?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Because I think that is continuous, but let me start maybe for additional for about the lexical jump unit for him. Yeah, for his theory.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe either you think that it's related to this, but here it just only the words or we say the sentence, but this one is we use to compare. Yeah, for his okay, I think so. Okay, like a connectives. Yeah, we connective, so we know where connective. That means so we use this kind of word to link in a sentence. For example, like a finally. Yeah, finally. For example, after we use our consequence, like we use a consequence like a first, second, third. So we use a finally like a connective. That means it's to link about the thing that we wrote before, right? Yeah. And next concludes, like the same concludes. After you have a written so the paragraph, so after that, so you have to conclude information to sum up the delays, to link, to make it like a smoothly, for example, like this. And so whereas main line and consequently, right? This is our like a connections, okay? Right. Any problems this? Okay. And next, so the last one, like a conversation game piece. Conversation game piece is an opening used to start a conversation with someone, right? So that means like a kind of a conversation game piece, we use like a verse to start the conversation with someone. Every time when we have to greet our friend or anybody, so we can use like the word that we use here, like hello, how are you? For example, like this. Okay, the word to start the conversation. Okay, for this part, yes. Or any idea, so we can ask. I think so. It's quite difficult. Let's go approach. Okay, kindly. Yes.
Thank you.
Right. Okay, so now we come to our second portion. Okay. First last week ago I mentioned about Junski, but now we come to net teacher commented about the lexical approach for his idea or his suggestion. Okay, so his first point that means most of the time combining the ready-made lexical units that are operate for a situation that our understanding depends on if we know which pattern to play it. Okay. What do you think of this? You know? I see some signs. What do you think of for this?
I don't have any idea yet.
Okay. So,
waiting for your
yeah. You have idea? Okay.
Situation. Yes, meaning.
You know what does he focus on for this point?
That's mean lexical. When we made lexical, explain on the situation appropriately and understand depends on depends on the situation appropriate with the combination of the lexical.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Right. So for this point, that means he focus on. So when we have make or produce or sing and produce about the lexical or lexical chunks or collocation, so we have to suitable for the situation that we use. It's related to the story that we are talking about, talking to. Yeah, right. Okay. For example, I just got up last week ago, so I had to make the bed, for example. I had to make this operate about the situation. Our second one, teaching would center on these patterns and the ways can be connected together along with the ways they are trained and situation which they have. Okay. So to what the teaching. Yes. You know? Okay. Teaching will center on this pattern. The way can be connected. The long and the way we change